Here's an interesting simplistic scene that we have here of dinosaurs, the jungle and other ancestral animals of perhaps the echidna of Australia, and just over here we have the platypus. It's a scene 70 million years ago. It's the beginning of the unearthing of Uluru. Now, it may not seem it, but this is Uluru. Beneath the feet of the dinosaur is the Multicula arcos, ready to be unearthed over the next 70 million years. And it's unearthed episodically, slowly, with the relentless wind and water of time slowly coming down and revealing its resistant sandstone. And it's remained largely intact because it isn't faltered like it is at Karajuta, and it's fairly coherent and has resisted that incredible erosive power of water and time. And all the material on top would have washed away and water shedded off and around Uluru. So Uluru begins with a gentle hill like this. A lot of people ask when they see it, how did it arrive there? How did it actually rise up? But the opposite applies. The question that's really important is, where did all the material go that surrounded Uluru and that left it bare? So that's the question that we should be asking ourselves whenever we see Uluru. Where did all that material go? And that material essentially flowed off the watershed, the resistant material of Multicula arcos, and flowed off down into the Amadeus Basin. And this is the interesting thing about Uluru was in fact formed as a result of the Amadeus, all the sedimentary layers flowing in, but it also helped to unearth it. So the Amadeus Basin is a really important element in the formation of Uluru that we see today. So let's start to unearth Uluru. We have this scene, and what we're about to do is bear witness to its unearthing, a snapshot, brief time, 70 million years in a few seconds. The water I'm about to put on it represents the relentless wind and water of erosion, taking all the material down to the sea, or in this particular case, Lake Eyre.